Hey everybody, it's Glidercat and it's time to play. Let me unpause the game here. We're back at Captain of Industry. We are stretched a little thin here. We're short on building materials. We're short on iron. We're okay on diesel. Diesel's okay, and we've got plenty of food, I believe. We got another crop about ready to come in from our 3 fields. Population looks like we just lost somebody. We've got 17 sick. I have no idea. I must be missing something obvious. We'll go through the tech tree, or next time maybe try and take an extra look, see if we can figure out what's causing the sickness. But yeah, so we've got our work cut out for us. Real quick, while I'm thinking of the sickness, let's just take a look at the water situation. We've got more rain coming in, so that helps. I do want to beef this up, but again, man, we're really short on building materials, and I kind of want to get another mine going too. So hopefully this one water collector is able to produce enough water for our town. I just don't know. Monthly need is 9. It says monthly production is 9 wastewaters. It doesn't show the freshwater production, does it? I'm not sure. Nine wastewater monthly production produced last month. I got a feeling this is not supposed to say wastewater. I could be wrong. So we've got a little bit in the tank. We've got some every so often that comes out here that looks so gross. All right. No research active. Let's go after that. Research. Ooh, got the minimized thing. Okay, transport balancing. Zipper flat, zipper loose, fluid balancer, balancer molten. I'm not going to worry about that yet. Fuel station. Now that could save us some time, right? So we don't need our excavator going halfway across the map to refuel. Let's do that one. It's either that one or irrigated farms. Food, I think we're okay on. Let's go ahead and start research on the fuel station. Boom. Make sure I got it done this time. Yep. Back, and then we get a new tutorial. I'm going to let the game run while we read this, although it does pause it for us. All right. Logistics. There are 2 main ways to transport products: trucks and transports. Each way has its advantages and disadvantages. Trucks. Okay, trucks are the most versatile way to transport products around the island. There's no need to set up any routes or stops, and trucks will automatically transport products wherever they are needed unless the destination is blocked by other buildings or terrain features, and maybe the belts. Hopefully the transports won't block the trucks. However, for periodic deliveries, it is better to build dedicated conveyor belts. Otherwise, the trucks can get easily overwhelmed, and machines in your factory will be frequently waiting for inputs and outputs. You can see the current load on your logistics system in the overview panel on the top left of the screen. Oh, is that me? I wonder if that's this guy here. Top left of the screen, this 0 seconds thing. I can't move this message center window, but we'll take a look at that later. I was kind of wondering what that was. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the top of the screen here, kind of over to the left. All right. Note that not all products, they're showing it right here. Geez, sorry about that. Note that not all products can be transported via trucks. For example, molten products and some gases such as steam require transports. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I've never seen a truck on the road hauling molten metal. Trucks and storages. Trucks automatically prioritize deliveries where needed. To storages, trucks deliver under the following cases. First, some other entity needs to get rid of the products at high priority. For example, a machine that produced them, and there is no other entity that really needs them. Second, a truck needs to unload already loaded cargo, either truck from a mine or wood harvesting, and there is no other entity that needs them at high priority. This can become an issue when storages are connected to machines to serve as buffers. To override this behavior, you can drag the green slider to the right, which means that trucks will prioritize deliveries to the storage until it gets filled up to the green slider. I see. So it could be, I'm not sure, but it could be where if you've got a silo hooked up to a factory, you want to make sure that the product goes into the silo storage, not directly to the factory, the truck. And by setting this priority, maybe that's a way of kind of prioritizing that. And then the belts are just going to shoot the product out no matter what. That's my assumption. They're kind of showing it in a picture here. All right, let's see what it says here. Storages are emptied by trucks only when their products are needed somewhere else. Got it. If you want to keep storages actively empty, like removing slag, drag the red slider to the left. I see. So that's like saying, hey, if this thing backs up with slag, then my smelting operation stops. So I want to prioritize trucks coming and unloading that slag or waste material. So that's what the red slider is about, looks like. Sliders have no effect on connected transports. Okay, that's the belts. Cool. Transports. Unlike trucks, transport networks need to be built manually between ports of individual buildings. Each building that supports connection to the transport network has ports where transports can be connected. Okay, that's kind of self-explanatory. Conveyor belts need electricity. Yeah, I was wondering about that. So we're going to be consuming diesel either way. Diesel to generate power or diesel for the trucks. I'm not sure which one's more efficient. Important. Once machines are connected via transports and a first product is delivered, trucks will no longer try to deliver that type of product and let transports do the job. That's cool. The same applies for output products. Once a product is successfully removed via transport, trucks will no longer serve the machine. I like that, actually. That's kind of cool. I imagine we have to delete the transports in order to get the trucks to do their thing again if we needed them to. Transport height clearance for vehicles. All right. All transports except molten metal channels can go up and down. You can raise, lower the end portion by pressing E and Q during the building process. This is handy when trying to make space for vehicles to go under. Trucks can go under any transports that are at a height of 2 or higher. However, other vehicles, such as the excavators, cannot go under transports. In order to let them pass transports, you can use a ramp. Okay, so we've got 2 options. I imagine the trucks can go by ramp as well as the excavators. So maybe ramps are the thing to kind of lean towards if you're not sure. Like here, we would have to put a ramp if we wanted a truck to come over this little molten metal channel. Man, we are not producing enough iron. I don't like it. We're really short. Let's see. We have 0 plates there. This guy should be firing. So he just got some iron. Cool. I'm just anxious to see the molten metal come through here. There it goes. Another batch of plates. But we're still 0 on construction materials. Where are they going? They're going over here. We haven't built our second metal caster. Does this guy have anything? Yeah, he's ready to go. In fact, he's got a bunch of molten metal, molten iron, just waiting. In fact, it's already on the chute. It's just waiting for our metal caster. That will actually speed things up once this gets built, because we'll have more plates. How's our excavator? That probably... Yeah, it's only halfway done on its plates. Population, water. And then our research, let's do a quick check on that. Fuel station. What's holding that up? It says progress 11%. I guess it's just taking time to research. Thought that would have been further along. How are we doing over here? We've got plenty of iron ore. Now we've got plenty of iron ore and nowhere to take it. So we're waiting on this guy. Get those plates. Here they come. Some will get delivered here and make construction parts for us. But hopefully some will make it over here. Oh, we got conveyors now. What am I doing? Why don't we... Can we conveyor some of this stuff in to this... to both of these? Let's see. Do we have one output slot? Let's see. Let's try the conveyors. Probably here. U-shaped conveyor or a flat conveyor. Okay, transports loose products, and then this transports unit products. We have unit products. Oh, I've only got one. one output from this guy. Shoot. I was hoping to send some plates into here and send some plates here. What we could do is just leverage this first factory for plates and just stop this little setup here, leave it just for plates, and then route this belt straight into the assembly here. Or vice versa. We could have this one become the plates, but then we're going to waste this building, right? Shucks, I'm not sure what's best. I would really like this to get built. He needs 9 more construction blocks. We're doing on water. We got more rain coming. Boy. Yeah, see, we need to build another habitat here, another housing unit with our containers. But that's going to take a bunch more construction parts. Let's see what that's going to cost us. We're going to get in trouble if we don't do it. Oh, man, 80 parts. Wow. That's not great. Look at this. We got a full tank of water here. So there's another load of parts. I need everything. So it's like I can't shut anything down. Okay, this guy needs, what, 24 more? 24 metal iron sheets. There's 8 sitting here, guys. Come pick them up. Here he comes. And is he going to take them here? I don't really mind, because that's going to, if he takes them here, that means we're going to get our metal caster faster. If he takes them over here to the metal plate storage, that means we're going to get our excavator faster. I guess we kind of need this metal caster first. We got a truckload of iron just waiting. That's good, actually. And we've got dirt filling up. And we got 2 trucks ready to service this excavator. So that excavator is keeping pretty busy. So we achieved that objective by having this guy having 4 trucks standing by. Okay, here's rock too. So it looks like we get waste rock and waste dirt. It looks like that iron is going. We still don't have building materials. Come on, where are they? There's 8 in here. Somebody's got to pick these up. Okay, good. He's going to deliver some. We still need more than that. I think we need more than 8. Oh, 19. We need one more. One more, and then things will improve. Assuming we have enough iron. There's our log truck delivering wood. Ooh, even wood's coming up short now. I think that's because we're delivering coal to 2 places. This guy who's got 12, and then our functioning furnace over here. Okay, there's another batch of plates cooling down. It should get pushed out here pretty soon. Yeah, we got to do population. Look at this. We're at 179. Again, 18 sick. I'm not sure why. This shows health improving. There's our plates. Here comes more wood. Yeah, I feel like we're a little behind where we want to be. The coal processing may not have been the best choice to do next, but we may need the copper first. How are we doing on copper plates? 139. You may switch over to that, to be honest. Okay, we've got another truck full of iron ore waiting and an empty truck. Maintenance seems like it's doing good. Now we're consuming plates on that too, and copper plates, unfortunately. So I think we probably want to do copper next. I think this coal endeavor was a little bit of a mistake. So we put a couple things down. We'll use it. It's not a big deal. And then but yeah, let's look at copper. Where is that? That's over here, I think, right? And I'm a little bit colorblind, but that seems to match up with the copper color. It would make sense they chose green. I think we've got an abundance of coal, right? So if I come into this guy, let's see. Let's mark off the area. I don't know if that costs us anything. Hopefully not. And yeah, there's all kinds of controls to make this up or down or whatever. I kind of do like the idea of digging down into it, but I don't know if we're supposed to. Let's come down here and just get it started like this. Down 8. Okay. And let's see about a mining control tower. That's 20. I don't want to build it yet. Not until we see this guy going. So close. Just needs one more. Is this guy loading up? Not yet. Okay, we are getting some made. 4 per cycle. It's a bit slow, but maybe it's the 4 we need to get this second metal caster going. That would be nice. So there's 4 there. He may not go until it's he has more to haul. Fortunately, this guy's got enough plates to do 2 batches. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that we'll have 8 construction parts, and then some will get delivered over here. We can finish the metal caster and basically double our production. Then we'll get that second excavator, and we can start with the copper mine. That'll speed up the construction blocks too, I would hope. Even with the single factory building for those. Okay, we're good. Check it out. All right, this guy's going to get us plates. It does create waste product that we got to get rid of. So there's more trucking demand to get rid of this slag. We probably need to make another truck. Let's do that. Let's take a look at our diesel fuel. Oh, we're doing good. We're starting to accumulate that. That's good to see. Let's buy one more truck. We'll have to queue it up behind this guy. 16 more iron plates. Okay, there are some mining designations outside of mine towers. All right, that's right. That's this. Complaining about this because we haven't put down the mine tower. I guess we can do that because that metal caster is built. So let's plop down the mining tower. Mine control tower. Mind control. How about over here? I'm not sure which way that arrow should be facing. How about here? And then we'll reset the area. Oh, so that area, I guess, is showing how it's oriented, its range of effect, at least initially. But we can change that pretty well. Just like this. Boom. Okay, that is good. That's going to get us copper, and we're going to need a whole copper smelting setup as well. This guy's still chewing up the trees that we marked. Diesel is okay. How's our deposit doing? Can we tell? We've used, I don't know, not even 400 yet of the crude oil. We've got trucks just waiting for iron to be smelted. And this guy, yeah, that's fine. How's this guy doing? Is he getting his plates? Yeah, he needs 8 more. Then we're done. Okay, we got our fuel station research. Let's open up the research tree. And it looks like the next thing Boy, this would get us a splitter probably. Zipper flat. I'm not sure what these are. Fluid balancer, zipper loose. Okay, it's all about balancing. Ship weapons. Nice. We don't get that yet, though, in this version. Ship dock repair. That sounds compelling. So does irrigated farms. Let's do irrigated farms. It's going to be easy to forget about this. Let's get that going. Just want to make sure we stay on top of food, especially as our population's growing. So that's underway. Let's hop out of here. There goes some wastewater just got dumped. Not much water over here. I suppose if we were desperate, a truck would come and pick up water from here and bring it over. No coal. We're not producing any excess coal. Otherwise, this thing would be filling up, I think. Or charcoal, I should say. Oh, I didn't think. Is there a way to check the size of this deposit? The iron? Iron ore. I don't see anything indicating that. Let's go ahead and do the layer. Yeah, I don't see it. I'm sure there's a way to tell how much is in this deposit, but I can't find it. I've got 3 trucks just queued up with iron ore with nowhere to take it. This guy is missing input. What does he need? Does he need more coal? Yeah, I guess so, right? That's how much they need. That's how much it has, maybe? I may need to get another guy cutting trees, another truck cutting trees. Hey, there's our excavator. Shoot. Yeah, I need a copper setup. Where are we going to do that? We still don't have construction blocks. And we're not accumulating plates yet. I've got an extra excavator that I don't really have a use for yet. I want it doing copper. I guess I can... Yeah, I can't even get him going because I got to wait for this guy to get constructed. He's waiting on 13 more construction blocks. Okay. This guy has plenty of inventory. What are you waiting on? Wood. Okay, let's get another truck on wood. We've got a bunch of trucks sitting here. I'm going to assign this guy to tree harvesting. So that's one of the things that we're talking about, is to save your trees because you need that wood for your construction parts. So the more you burn it to make charcoal, the more you're getting rid of a dwindling resource. Now, I suppose while we're sitting here waiting, we could take a quick... We're waiting on construction parts, really. Let's take a look at the tech tree and just see if we can spy a way to grow trees, or just take a look here. What's the best way to... Okay, ship weapons. Bridge 2. Okay, it doesn't describe it. I guess that's a ship upgrade. Ship upgrade there. Better diesel engines. That's the ocean drilling. We saw that. That's kind of cool. Pardon my zooming. Vehicles management. Increases your vehicle limit. Power generation. A boiler, high pressure turbine, and power generator. Again, this is not in the game yet. It doesn't look like. But we can kind of cop a little sneak feel here. Not feel. I can cop a glance at this. So we got water, coal, gets us steam and some exhaust. And then if we run that steam through our generator, high pressure turbine, then we get some low temperature steam. I don't know if we can feed that back into the boiler. And we get some mechanical power that generates electricity for us. Very cool. Okay, now we're getting into more stuff that's not quite ready. Oh, copper smelting. Can I not even do this yet? Oh, you know what? I don't think I can do copper yet. Look at this. I got to get way out here to do copper smelting. Whoa. I didn't realize that. I thought we were ready to do it. Now, what is the other prerequisite? The advanced diesel. Looks like that needs to be researched. Interesting. All right. So we are not able to do copper yet. We got to chase after that if we can. I don't know if this is going to be unlockable in this version of the game. We'll find out. Groundwater pump. That makes sense. Pumping water out of the ground instead of having to rely on the rain. I was wondering about that. Clinic. Nice. Final game. So that probably heals up our sick people. Housing 2. I'm guessing that's just higher capacity housing. Maybe increases the happiness or the unity that we're generating. Okay, then we eventually get up to steel. We don't have that in this game, this version. Level 3, construction materials. Just add some copper to the previous level, and you get the next level. Pipes, okay. Maybe higher capacity. We don't have that yet. Oh, rubber maker. That was the other one I had a question about. So we'll see if we can unlock this in the current version of the game. I'd like to. Oof. Heavy distillate. Distillate or distillate. I don't know where we get that from. Light distillate takes light distillate. Yeah, I'm not sure. Is that this advanced diesel? Water and coal. Okay, yeah, that's power. Then if we take... Okay. So eventually we're going to get a heavy distillation building or machine or factory, whatever. That'll take our crude oil and some high temperature steam and give us heavy distillate and heavy gas oil. And I'm guessing we can use those to make the rubber that we need for the truck tires. Then we can use the heavy gas oil with steam to produce diesel and some sour water. That may be a waste product, or maybe it can be refined into something else. Cool. All right. Got some cool stuff coming. What else are we missing here? Power generation. We saw that. Corn farming. Okay. That's going to be a while. Looks like that's locked behind stuff that we're not going to be able to do. Synthetic rubber. Yeah, we saw that. We saw all of this. What else we got here? I'm looking up here at the building materials. I still don't have any. So we've got a little time to kill, apparently. All right. Engine 2. That looks like a ship upgrade. We can't do that yet. Excavator. Oh, I skipped past this whole row. Sorry. Maintenance 2. All right. So maybe a more efficient recipe for maintenance tools or maintenance items. Tree harvester later on. Large trucks. Faster conveyors. Waste treatment. So instead of dumping it into the river or the ocean, we mix it with a little sand and out comes some nice clean water and some dirt that we can just throw into landfill. And that takes away the pollution. Oh, and then there's the sour water. Yeah, we can do the same thing. Run it through some sand in the waste treatment plant. Very cool. Sorry for the scrolling. Gas smelting. Okay. Glass and a household goods module. I'm guessing that's going to increase the unity and happiness of the people. Assembler 2 makes sense. Electrified, probably faster. More storage. Fertilizer, probably for the crops. Another engine for the ship. Larger excavator. Groundwater pump level 2. Probably more water as you grow. Boy, lots of cool stuff coming. Lots of cool stuff coming. Another increase in the vehicle cap. Glass smelting 2. Probably faster, more efficient. Okay. I'm wondering if we're going to be bringing in raw crude oil via our boat, because we've got a lot of ore processing here, or oil processing. Although this is a second phase, I guess, after the crude oil. Water recovery. Okay, this is where we can take some of that low heat steam and turn it back into water and maybe recycle it through our system. Power generator. Ooh. Okay, it takes the low heat steam. I'm guessing the steam low is low heat. I don't know, but that's what I'm guessing. So this is a way to make use of that and actually get some power out of the low heat steam. Look at all this stuff. This is amazing. I guess I won't go through all of it. That'd take forever. But very, very cool tech tree. All right, let's go back and see how we're doing. We finally have some building parts. Let's see. Let's see. All right, we still are not storing plates yet. We can't do copper for a really long time. I'm surprised about that. This guy says he's missing input. This guy, what is he missing? Coal, charcoal. Well, since we can't do copper, and of course I placed the building down that got built, let's go back to our original plan of just mining the coal. Let's do it. Let's get it started, and then we'll wrap up this episode. I'm going to add the excavator that we've got. And then how about 2 trucks? And why don't we take 1 truck off of this iron mine? Because it's, whoop, how do I get rid of them? Okay, boom, boom. So 3 there, and then we've got 2 doing the coal. Should we make another truck? Those are the ones that take that rubber, and that's kind of a limited supply. What could we do? We've got conveyors. And we talked about feeding in the plates via conveyor. We might as well. That doesn't... Oh, that will stop. As soon as I run a conveyor out of here to take these iron plates out of our metal caster and I connect it to the unit storage or the assembly, I think trucks will stop picking this up. I think it might be worth doing just to save on the diesel, although they are going to chew up a little power. I got to think it's less. Let's just try a flat conveyor. We'll experiment with this. Maybe I should just go straight as I can to save resource. Probably costs something. And now this storage is not going to get filled. We'll have to get product from this guy. So we can get rid of it. We could assign it to something else. This storage, I think, is meant to store, those parts. So rather than have a truck deliver it, why aren't we belting this? Let's do that. Flat conveyor. Boom. And, oh, look at that, the way I set this thing up. I got to go all the way around. Set up a little bit backwards. Shoot. I don't think I can. Let me just see. I doubt I can rotate this thing. Yeah, I don't see a way to change it. Let's see, that is just a eyedropper. That is going to destroy it. We don't want to do that. What do we get? 15? What does it take to create that? We get 15 out of a unit storage, 15 building blocks, and it costs 20. What do we get? How much do the belts cost? Oh, man, they take rubber. Yeah, I'm not crazy about using up the rubber. I'm tempted to actually empty this thing and turn it around and get it real close to that. I think that's what I'm going to do. Or plop another one down. Maybe we do that. Let's empty this thing. Let's put another one down. Close. With the inputs like that. Because I don't want to waste the rubber if I can help it. Because I'm not sure if we're even going to be able to produce it in this build of the game. Might be an unrealistic fear or an unnecessary fear, but I hope I didn't hook that up backwards. Can I extend transfer from here? Already connected. So the whole point of that is to stop having trucks do this stuff, moving this material. Let's see. Do I have belts anywhere? I don't. Just hope I have this set up right. This one right here. We got to pick a recipe for this guy or a product. Let's do the construction parts. So somebody should haul these over there probably. So I'm actively saying, hey, empty this. We'll see. When a truck gets around to building these belts, hopefully I don't have this one backwards. I did connect it in the reverse direction. All right, we'll find out next episode. For now, I'm going to wrap this one up because I keep going long. We got our research done. We'll pick a new one at the top of the next episode. But yeah, for now, this is Glidercat saying thanks so much for watching. If you do like this content, consider giving it a thumbs up. That does help my tiny channel grow, and I definitely appreciate that. But until next time, yeah, it's Glidercat signing off, saying thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.